Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and am I doing a haul? I don't think so. I am actually, let me show you, putting together all of the kits for my upcoming game night. So I went ahead and thought, oh, I might as well share this. And I'm not doing anything special, I'm just kind of hanging out and wanted to hang out with you, but I couldn't do it live because I had other things that I have to do. But I'm just unboxing these. I've got, this is the stamp set that we're using. It's the frosted gingerbread, and then some people added on the dies that go with it. So I do have those. That's this month's class. It's gonna be some bingo stuff. We're gonna play games. Of course, I also got some extra goodies that I'm gonna be putting in there. And those are gonna be, I've got these little gems, so I'll be putting one of those in each packet. And then what else do I have in here? I've got some DSP that's gonna go with it, and they have no idea that they're getting this stuff, so I won't be posting this until after it is already done. But I wanted to let you guys know that I'll be doing these classes. If you are not in these classes but want to find out about them, all you have to do is go to beautyandthestamper.com. That's where my blog is, and you could sign up to get my newsletter, and that's how you find out about these classes. I also put them on the blog as well. So I'm just looking for all the stamp sets now. I hope I got them all. That's always the hardest part, is if I got them. I also picked out some host sets for prizes, another host set, and let's see, I picked each of them the textures and frames. This is the celebration because they all qualified for a celebration item. So they're gonna be getting that, and I'm so excited. This is completely like, I don't think they realized that I would be giving them a celebration item. So I already have a card that we're gonna be making with it, so I'm super excited. But a lot of them are in, oh, this is another host set. And you get those when you host a party of $150 or more. So you get rewards, and then you can spend those rewards. Well, this came up with some rewards, so I buy those so that I could use them for prizes for the bingo. And then right now with the celebration, when you spend at least $300, you can get the In Your Words stamp set. So I got one of those, and that is going to be one of my prizes in the Pick a Prize. What else did I get? Oh, I got some of the cute little frosted gingerbread embellishments. I think they're tiny. I don't know if you've seen, but they're little. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for those. So what else did I get? Oh, I just got some glue, because who doesn't need glue? And then finally, I've got 2 of these, and I'm just gonna cut them, and then I'm gonna cut them into 4s and then send each of them a quarter pack. So got some of those. That's everything. Is this considered a haul? I think so, right? But if you are interested in more game night stuff, let me know. Also, they're having a great, what is it? It's a join special, but you could be part of the Stamping Beauties family if you'd like. You get $125 worth of product plus everything you need to start your own business if you'd like. Of course, you do not have to. You can just use the discount or just the great sign-up special because, like I said, you get $125 worth of product, and you during celebration for the next couple days, you're going to be able to choose a set. So there's 12, I believe, sets that you could choose from, and it's a stamp and die bundle. So, and those, I think one of them's like up to $60 value. So that could be like, what, $185 worth of product for only $99. Plus you get to save 20% on every single order. So think about it, let me know. I would love for you to join the Stamping Beauties family. And thank you guys so much for unboxing this for me. Now I've got to put them in their prospective spots and then get them ready to head out to shipping today. So, all right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.